What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
I was charging my PlayStation 5 controller. I went to grab my controller, but it was wrapped around my gaming chair arm. And then when I grabbed it, my whole PS5 fell off my desk. I don't know if it's fixable. Can you fix it?
Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you, thank you.
Alright, we are testing the PlayStation. So this is what it does. It doesn't show anything on the TV when you plug in on the HDMI.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, that's crazy.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. So clean. This is what we're going to change.
Bro, I have not seen that in so long. This is crazy. Yo, no way. This is crazy. Oh my god. Yo. Bro, that's me. Oh my gosh. I don't remember the last game I was playing. Yo, that's crazy. You want me to load up a game to test it?
Yes. Play a little bit. Open your favorite game.
Yo, that's crazy. Wow. This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
How long you said it's been off?
2 months.
2 months. You didn't play?
Yeah. But I have a PS4 Pro, but you know what I mean? But so it's like, I don't complain. Let me see it up. Let me see. I haven't played Spider-Man in so long. Bro, it just sounds nice. cool, bro. On please. Oh my god. I cannot believe this is so long. How you running it? Oh yeah. It's been so long. Yo, look at the quality, bro.
Is that a weapons deal going down? No, it's Spider-Man. Hope you guys kept your receipts. He's not fighting us. You won't survive the next one. Grab this, Spider-Man.
I'm a little rusty. I'm a little rusty.
Where'd those symbiotes come from? Guys, I was wondering if this could get any harder.
Oh my goodness, there's too many people. Where's my first no. Alright. I think it's good.
Looks good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your PlayStation is ready. Search.
Thank you so much. I came from New York, 2-hour drive. Totally worth it.
Yeah.
Totally. I tested it out. Everything looks fine.
Everything looks good.
Perfect. 100%.
Nice.
The best of the best. Both
Thank
of you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.